Mama. Why this is not funny? You won't fool me. Kesibeya ewela segi fire. Ebe were ugo were. Kesibeya ewela fire. Mama oh yo yo. Nobody knows tomorrow. Mama oh yo yo.
Now I call you Abi.
No vex, my guy. You know the normal hold up now for the country.
So you call yourself my friend. I called you since yesterday that my mother is missing, and you're just coming now.
I am sorry, my guy. Please forgive me. No business now and Nigeria hold up. Please, Hafa. Let's talk about something more important. Have you seen her? Eh?
Yes, I've seen her.
Oh, thank God, at last. So what happened? What played out?
That she went to buy akara. Mami hoji akara now.
Akara. Thank God she's back. At least now I'm happy. How far are you now? Are you cool?
I'm okay. I'm just trying to recover from the shock.
Thank God, at least. If you see the way I was running, I was beating on the traffic. I was driving. I said, let me come and see my guy. I know the situation.
James Bond.
So what's up now? What's the latest, my guy?
I'm just
cheer up now. You never see her.
No, I'm okay now. You know, I'm okay. Just that I'm not gonna lie.
Sorry. Now I don't see. I don't tell you that. It's sorry.
Within the body is food. And now when person die, then my spirit will come to eat the food. Hey. No, you don't know what tonight is like there. But so I say you don't know what tonight is there.
What did you do? I don't know.
You don't know? And the moment I tell you, I say, ma, don't check whether it's you take your time.
What did you have with the time?
You don't know what happened with the time. I could, you don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Now time for afternoon food.
Time for afternoon?
Yes.
We can ask you one question. Why in receive you two get longer to the one? You saw you don't stay 1 minute without food. Every time food. Maybe you see say now I come out from the gate and I cook inside kitchen. They ask me.
Hey! I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. To ask for waiting be my right now. No longer truth. Now what you tell me? I could do.
Oh what? What is your right?
You don't know my right?
I know.
I could, you don't know my right?
I don't know your right or what?
My right now according to the time. Now time for afternoon food and that's my right. I could See you.
Mama!
Hey! Now here to ask for waiting be my right. He says no offense. And also, on the throat. Even if not, you go answer madam finish. Go answer and come back. I go tell you say this time, na time for afternoon food. Not before time for gate. Na time for afternoon food and not before time for gate. I go tell you that. If you take what I take, if you take what I take, if you take what me. What we going to take? If it's not, I'll get a blow on there now. I go tell Oga say this time don't forget time. Don't forget time. It's for afternoon food time. Immediate police. Immediate akoko. I know my right. I know my right, and my right says afternoon food.
Answered me? Yes. Or you were busy talking in the kitchen?
No, I wasn't talking to anybody.
No, you were talking to somebody. I know who you talking to.
Mama, Makachuka wasn't talking to anybody.
My ass. That's why you have long mouth. Half of neighbor know mommy water. The only problem is that mommy water is unfair and you're black. So you're not one check. Now talk to yourself.
Mama, I wasn't talking to anybody. It must have been the sound from Owa's radio. I wasn't talking to anybody.
Sound from Owa's radio.
Yes, Mama.
Look at you. You don't even know how to lie. The sound from Owa's radio speaks Chinese. Yes. Hey, Mama. Oh, Masali. Now go get me water to drink.
Okay, Ma. Okay.
In a clean tall glass.
Okay.
I'm off you. Oh no, na Africa sick. I feel what wife. Chuku mele only to come and go ya. We go to ne again. Go to patch.
Hello? Emeka? How are you? Yeah, I'm fine. Is your mother there? Yes, everything is fine. Everything is fine. Please give her the phone. I want to talk to her.
Okay, can you? Mama, Papa wants to speak to me.
Papa,
Papa Emeka.
Is he okay? Has it been kidnapped again?
Mama, collect the phone first. He said it's important.
Is he sick?
Why all these questions now? Collect phone and hear from your husband.
I don't want to talk to him. See, I'm out here enjoying this fresh air. I don't want anything that will disturb me. And you see this sweet drink? I don't want it to become bitter in my mouth. So Biko, just leave me alone. You know what? Tell him I'll call him by midnight. Midnight call. Him on the cheaper. Yeah.
Emeka, you know she has overstayed her welcome. Eh? Or does she want to live with you in your house forever?
Oh. Hey! Now what we can Trump on us? Maybe it's one for.
Not just there, you have to sign here too. And then afterwards you will stamp here. You understand what I'm saying? Emeka. Emeka. What is it?
So sorry, bro.
You're not concentrating.
Oh yeah, man. Just thinking aloud. So yeah, you were telling me something.
Yeah. I said once you sign here, and then you stamp here, the properties will be yours.
Oh.
Exactly.
That's brilliant. Thanks for being a good negotiator. I really appreciate it.
Well, I should thank you for having confidence in me. But Mecca, you don't look good. You look worried. Keep on.
Oh yes, you're right. I look worried. I'm just I don't like the way my mother is treating my father. It's giving that man a cold attitude. It's just uncalled for.
Really? How did you know? Did you visit him?
Yeah, not really, but we had a conversation on the phone earlier today. And deep down, I do not like the way he sounded on the phone. You know, it sounded so down.
But you cannot guess how he feels from the tone of his voice.
It's enough of me, alright? Where do you want me to sign?
Okay, back to business. Yeah, I just want you to sign here. You got to sign. Just here.
Okay. Oh, but that's a good job you actually put up.
Yeah.
So have you finalized the date for Junior's dedication?
I thought we agreed to do that together.
No, you said you wanted to do it. Have you forgotten?
My bad.
Okay.
Forgive me. Okay, I'll make arrangements for the preparations at once.
Oh, very good, because we don't have time. We need to give him a magnificent...
Wow! Baby, I can't believe we're about to host our guest for the second time.
Oh yes, they will be expecting something unique.
I know, right?
give her smackdown. And you call that smackdown?
It's smackdown now.
Can you stop? Get it, stop.
I'm very disappointed. I don't care how you feel. It's your mother.
Mama, I am talking to you. I said it's okay. Go now.
I'm making a bad move. I'm making a bad move. Nah, Jesus knows one name. Muking a bad move. Trouble. See you. Don't worry. Troublemaker. I'm a troublemaker. You're a troublemaker. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Why do you guys hate each other so much? Why? I'm not the one overreacting. It's your mother-in-law that picks up the fight. She's the one with the hate. Mama, there is more to this rivalry than meets the eyes. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. But we used to be best of friends.
Where'd you go? I was coming to your house. Where are you going to? Me, I just finished my chores. I was coming to your house too. Okay. I wanted to tell you that you should see me up. I want you to escort me somewhere. It's very important. I should escort you somewhere? Very important. Yes. Important. Yes. Where's the place? Don't worry. Just come. Let's go.
Fight. We just need to realize. Together we will conquer enemies. When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah. Together we will conquer enemies. Yeah. Whoa, 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 Udo, Udo, Kama. Whoa, 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 Udo, Udo, Kama.
There he is. Tell me the truth, isn't he cute? Do you know I come here every day to watch him? Anytime you don't see me here, it means that my sunshine for that day is over. And I pray that such things doesn't come.
Does he know you admire him this much?
No! How will I tell him that kind of a thing? I can't tell him now. He doesn't even know anything. Do you know something, eh? In fact, tomorrow I will sweep him off his feet. I'm going to wear the clothes my mother bought for me. It's a new clothes. And I know that I will sweep him off his feet when he sees me.
I wish you luck. So let's go home.
Tell me the truth. Isn't he the most handsome boy in this field? Just look at him. Look at his chest. In fact, I just cannot wait to sleep by his arms and sleep on. Stop looking at me.
Won't you go? He's handsome.
Before he will notice. I know.
What is it?
I'm sorry I startled you, eh? But you see, this your beauty confuses my brain. Eh? What do you see each time I see you? Hey!
Udoye. Is that how you flatter women?
No, this is not flattering at all. Hey. You know, meanwhile, where are you going to?
My mom sent me on an errand.
Do you mind if I join you? Do you mind I join you?
Why not, if you have the time?
Omarita. Omarita. Omarita.
I shouldn't have trusted you with my little secrets. I didn't even know you were that cheap. You are cheap!
Ojugo, I can explain.
Explain what? What do you want to explain? What do you want to explain now? Do you think I didn't see you? Oh, I saw you with my clear eyes. Okay, let me ask you one question. Did he at any point touch you like this? Answer me! Did he touch you, yes or no?
Just normal touch.
What is normal touch? You see you have admitted. What is normal touch? What is normal touch? You!
Wait, Ojugo. We've been friends for too long. Don't allow this separate us.
It has, oh. My dear, it has. You know why? Because you are a betrayer and I will never ever in my life trust you again. In fact, if I ever see this your 2K close to my house again, I swear I will deal with you. Try nonsense. If I say, what did I do wrong? He just touched me. That's all.
Oju will never forgive me. I and the boy had nothing in common. But after that encounter, I didn't know how to relate it to her.
Oh my God.
Oju is just stubborn.
Oh my God. Mama, was that why she was acting different during my traditional marriage?
Oh, that is Ojugo for you. If she had her way, she would have stopped that marriage.
Wait, Mama. Have you people had a real discussion about this?
You can see how difficult it is for both of us to live under one roof. Ojugo is stubborn.
Mama, please. I think it's high time you and my mom figure out a way to trash this your long-term rift. Please.
Oh.
It's long overdue.
So you know. So she told you, okay? Did she tell you how she snatched my man away from me? Did she tell you?
Snatch what? That wasn't what I heard.
What were you expecting to hear? Oh, but of course you would only believe her. Isn't she your mother?
You know I want the best for you. And I also know you want the best for me. This rift we are passing through is not the best for us. Please. Whatever happened, just let it go.
Yes, Mama, please.
Do you remember what you did the first time I brought Juliet home?
Hi. No.
Thank you, Mama.
No. Only can electric bulb.
No.
Thank you. No.
Thank you, Mama.
Where are you from?
She's from Ogidi.
I see. Ogidi in Kenya.
Hey! Chineke down. My son, do you know I've been praying that you don't bring any girl from far away distance? Ogidi here. My daughter, do you know my wife is from Ogidi?
I tell it to you.
No.
My own sister.
Mama.
What's your father's name?
Oh, Edauzo, Mama. Did you know?
You're welcome, eh? No? My son.
Thank you, Mama.
You know how to select.
If
I did it.
I sent for you. I sent for you. There's something I want to discuss with you. It's about that girl. Okay. There's something about her. I don't think you should marry her.
Why?
Listen, why? Well, My spirit tells me that there's... See, I know she's beautiful, fair and everything. Yeah, and under the ocean, who forgets the fairness, forget the beauty. The fact that you dated for so long, forget it. I don't think you should go there.
That's why I'm asking now. Why don't you think I should go there?
Because your family, they are known to betray people. They betray each other, they betray friends, they betray government. Anything that can be betrayed, they betray. I don't want you to bring that kind of blood into our family. Okay, maybe first. So please, let her go. We'll look for somebody else.
Let me talk to Papa first to hear his own opinion. This is the man of the house. I can't possibly listen to what you're saying now.
Oh, you don't listen to me again in this house, okay? Eh? What I say doesn't matter anymore in this house.
Mama, it's not that easy. Let me, I've heard you. Let me see Papa.
You've heard me in an action in a take are two different things. Emeka? Emi boy?
Our uniform is ready. Our uniform is out.
This is nice, but don't you think it's too expensive? Must have spent so much on this material.
It's our first child naming ceremony.
But you still have more children.
It even costs much though.
Why not save money for the other children? All we need to do is give food and drink.
Busy
body! Get on top of salad. That is what you are. They should not spend money on my first grandchild, or not possible. Besides, his father can afford it. So why are you talking about cheap things and not celebration? My grandson must enjoy his father's money. Any boy, GVA. Do you understand what I'm telling you? So don't even start with that your nonsense.
No, Mama, I know.
Because let me finish. Don't bring that your poverty-stricken self and attitude into this house.
Mama.
Yes?
Now allow her.
No, I'm respecting you, please.
Allow what you go to finish. What you go finish? Okay, Mama, it's okay, please. What is biting you? Get out of cigar.
Hey! Stop pretending. Don't even pretend to your own daughter. It doesn't make sense. My first grandson. Hey! Oh, Namo, you must enjoy if it's food and drink. I'm going to keep you going up nonsense. Oh! Please! Because
not every time she throws those words at you that you react. Rico, for my sake, it's okay, dear. This color is nice. It's red. Red. You and your husband, red. You tie red. No, it's not entirely red. Yes, red. Yellow and red. That means you tie red on your... Of course, I've ordered for the scarf. This is nice. Yes, so nice. But you need to save money for other children, like I said. I know. This is what you do once in a while.
I think I know exactly what you did to make my mother bend.
Can I hear it? Lay it out already.
Oh, thank you.
You're ready for work.
Good morning.
Good morning, son.
How was your night?
It was good.
Okay. So that's my wife?
Left. Why didn't you allow that girl rest? She didn't take care of you.
I'm not really, just that I woke up and I didn't see her by my side.
But you spent the night with her. Make more babies.
You won't even allow Kenny to grow.
Oh, it's okay. You can always think like
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay. So what you up to today?
nothing really. Stay home all day. Do you want my children? I don't know, like, why am I even asking?
Stay home and cause more trouble, right?
No, now. Your mother has changed. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, but I don't think I want to take this. Alright?
I just finished it.
Okay. Because I'm not good at it. Let me take the tea. Okay. I have to run along.
Let me ensure you're good.
Oh, it's okay.
Have a good day.
You too. You're good, right?
As always. This morning, I'm suspecting that there was something about that. The color didn't really look like it normally did.
Don't worry, Mama. You see, I have already prayed to his wife. All you have to do is pray for him. When you care for God heals. Excuse me. It's okay.
He said we pray. The way he was talking is like he's not even sure if my son will recover.
Don't do this. It's not time for you to do this.
You
don't cause something to spill food for yourself.
I blame myself. I blame myself because I've been stressing my son and his wife. Maybe that's what caused what is happening to him.
You just have to calm down. He will be fine. It could be office stress.
Office stress?
Oh, it's not time for you to blame yourself at all. He will be fine. Oh?
Please, forgive all that happened in the past. Carlos Omaki.
I bear no grudges against you. I've forgiven you a long time ago. Let bygone be bygone, okay? Your son will be fine. We'll just pray for him. You go pray for him. It's okay. It's okay, stop crying.
It's alright.
He will be fine.
Yes, he will be.
You're better when you smile, you know.
Can we go and see them?
Okay.
Let's check on them.
But you have to smile. Right?
You are such a genius. How did you come up with that?
Well, I told you I was going to do something. Denied.
Oh my God. And it worked perfectly.
Of course.
You didn't see your mother earlier. She was panicking.
I know.
But those are gra smack downs back up.
You and your own man.
How is he? No, Mama. How is he doing?
I don't know. The doctor said we should watch him.
Did he recommend more drugs or he gave him injections? He only checked his blood pressure and temperature.
Sorry, baby, sorry. Why not? Sorry, baby, sorry. Sorry.
Edo?
He's awake. Nah, you okay? Did you break any bone? Huh? What about your neck? Is it alright? Nah. You're here, baby. Sorry. Water. Let's get him water.
Water. Water.
Pull me up now. Who needs him? Water.
My mother is funny. My mother said, okay.
Drama queens. Can you imagine? Go for tiaras.
Mama said, okay.
I heard your voice. They're coming back.
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
My intestine. My abdomen.
Sorry.
Did you notice something about my son?
Something like what?
When we gave him that water, by the way he drank it, he just took it sharply like somebody that is really okay.
I'm as if I'm killing him, man. I don't even know what to believe anymore.
Oh no, he just drank it like somebody that is
well away.
Thank God say Oga dey alright. Because if anything happen to Oga, thank God.
Why you dey talk like this? Wetin happen?
You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know? My salary go from there. Even my arrears. Yes, one no more go from there. I don't have to say again. Nothing wrong.
Sometimes the way you dey listen, you dey make me feel say you no get sense. You no get sense. All this while you dey calm. Wetin you dey reason na who go pay your salary and arrears?
No reason like that. By the way, which village you come from, sir? Because me, the village where I take come, where I come out from, we don't fit go back to that same village empty handed. You know they happen. Listen,
You see, because of this thing get up, no food for you.
You don't fit try am.
No food for you for this house.
You no go do am.
Bet
me too.
You dey try me. You dey try me.
You no go fit do am.
Forget say you be my man. You dey try me.
So you don't say you be my woman. No go happen. No go happen. No go do am.
You hear this?
You talk of person try listen with you. No, try do this thing now. Wait, talk now. If you say you don't give me food, you try am. I go kill myself. After I don't kill myself, I kill you. And my spirit will still haunt your spirit. If I kill you here now, my spirit will kill you the other side. You don't even try to eat. You know what I carry? No, not try to. Which I talk to this? Say you don't feed me food. This is this thing I talk about. Try out. Go tell us you want to do what we go there. That's the reason.
The Bible tells us in Psalm 123 verse 7 that children are a gift from the Lord. They are a reward from Him. What is his name?
Chukwuemeka Kenneth Nwatu.
Today I call you Chukwuemeka Kenneth Nwatu. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Boy, oh boy. Very good. Amy boy. Amy boy.
Where are you going to? I hope to leave the kitchen to strangers. Listen, better go back in there. If anything happens to one piece of chicken in that kitchen, you'll see what I'll do to you. Go back there, my friend. Lazy girl. What's going on here? Juliet, what's just keeping them? And why aren't they ready? Let's go soon start coming.
Fight, we just need to realize together we will conquer enemies. When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah, together we will conquer enemies. Yeah. Whoa, 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 Udo, Udo, come. Let us come together, mama, na mama, because